Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. And March is really a very special month for me because it's my birthday and anniversary both in the same month. So it was my birthday on 18th of March and I did went ahead with this makeup look. I did want it to look subtle yet beautiful at the same time. So I went ahead with a little bit of naturally glamorous looking makeup look. Hopefully you people will enjoy this get ready with me video. If you people do, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. So let's get started. I never skip on my skincare. My skincare routine will be uploaded pretty soon. Here it is completed. Now I am taking the concealer. This one is my Milani. Now on day-to-day basis or when I am supposed to attend something which is like very small, I have to go to some restaurant, something like that, I don't just go ahead with all of that shabam. I just want to look flawless when it comes up to it. So here I am using a concealer which is of exactly my skin shade to make sure that I don't the dark circles are not visible, yet I do have some coverage and there's no shabam highlight thing going on. Then for foundation, I went ahead with the Isadora 16 hours foundation because I didn't knew how long the day will be. So I did wanted my foundation to have longevity, if that makes sense to you all. Now I'm taking my compact powder. This is one of my favorite compact powders. This one is by Chambers. This is the Sheer Delight range and I'm using the shade called R5 and it's just an amazing compact powder. I'm not able to find the R5 shade once again. If I would be able to, I would reorder the same. Now going ahead towards the contouring and bronzing stuff, I'm taking the Maybelline's Face Studio palette and I'm just taking the contouring shade which is actually a bronzing shade for me, and I'm just going ahead and bronzing, warming up my face with the help of it. I'm just taking it up into the onto the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, my nose and stuff like that. Taking the highlighter from the same palette, I'm just highlighting my face. Now here I'd like to admit that it's not always necessary for me to feel like my highlighter should blind the astronauts on moon. So here I am just using a normal quantity of highlighters. Here I am taking the blusher from the same palette. I usually don't swap between way too many products when it comes up to something really very quick and I didn't have time that day a lot. So I did went ahead with the same palette for the eyes as well. I am using the bronzing shade from the palette on my eyes, just smoking it out a little bit, give it a little bit of dimension. That's what my sole perspective was while creating this makeup look. Then going ahead and blending with a clean blending brush. This is an angled one, it's just clean, that's why I went ahead with this. And then taking the highlighter from the same palette, like this is the same highlighter on my cheek. I'm just gonna roughly dust it onto my lid area. I told you guys it's all messy, there's nothing to be precise about. Taking the bronzing shade, I'm applying it onto my lower lash line as well and connecting it to the upper lash line to give myself a subtle balance. For lips, I am having a surprise for you all. I'm using the Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick. This is in the shade called Heartbreaker. This is a gift from my husband. Positively, you people would be seeing a haul video pretty soon if you people want to. I did wanted to go ahead and do a whole video for my the gifts that I did got on my birthday. So do let me know in the comment section below if you people want to see that. Now I'm taking the Balm Meet Match Nude palette and taking the matte wood shade. I am just going to groom my brows when it comes up to a regular basis. I have mentioned it way too many times that I'm quite very comfortable with powder products because they give you room and liberty to commit mistakes and they do get corrected really very easily, very simply. So I just love to go ahead because when I'm in rush, I usually do make mistakes. It's not a big deal. So it's just easy to correct. Now I'm taking the eyeliner. This is the Guest Inked Eyeliner by Nykaa and I am just gonna go ahead and line my eye. I have fast forwarded this section a little bit because it took me a little while in applying my eyeliner, like so with this marker pen. I guess it's just getting dried out and I didn't knew, so I just picked it up, so I had to use it undeniably. So here I am just fast forwarding the process. Then taking the gel eyeliner by L'Oreal, I am just going to go ahead and apply it onto my lower lash line area, like very subtly, nothing too dramatic guys, like I'm being very subtle. Then taking the mascara, this one is the Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. It's the mascara of choice this year. I would have to say that this is the mascara I've used the most this year. In 2017 it was my most used mascara. So I hope you people have tried it. If you people have, then you people must have known that I personally love this, and you would love it too. Now switching over, I'm just applying a bindi because I was going to the temple and the bindi was supposed to be there, and it finishes off the look. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and if you people did, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.